I'm gonna talk about what I'm gonna do with this in the future. So in the beginning of the summer I uploaded a video saying that I would make a race mower, but we ran into some problems. The transmission isn't exactly race ready and it would be pretty expensive to rebuild it, new rear axle and stuff. But my new idea is redo the exhaust so it goes up like somewhere here, installing an electric winch here, build a new bumper with a tube, extra lights, maybe LED bar here, and even maybe some knobber tires or something, and just have it as an off-road use, like you can use it like an ATV or something. The transmission is a little weird. You have forward and reverse, and then you have gears, I would say, here. So it could go as fast forward as it goes backwards or reverse. I mean, so yeah. But this isn't really perfect for what? For race purposes. But I installed trailer hitch and we're gonna do the bumper soon. So I think it could be pretty great as an off-roader, because that's generally what I use it for.